FIE 3 mainly targets SMEs without the capacity to have in-house expertise on how to develop new intelligent versions of their already commercial implements. And we are both in Sweden and Denmark, where we work with 2 different SMEs with the same problems. So we support the SMEs in taking their product to the next level, which will benefit them and in the end users, the farmers. We provide know-how on how to business development, as well as how they can implement and develop their use of data and IT solutions on their already existing products. We as a Digital Innovation Hub have learned that there's a great need for increased development and utilization of far more data across the food cluster, so that we can maintain and increase the competitiveness of the industry.
As a company, we are very open and we want to work as much as possible with knowledge institutes and different hubs. And the SmartAgriHubs project has been a great opener of doors. So we have got new contacts into the university and also into different advisory services in Denmark. As a company is very focused about reducing the amount of plant protection as much as required. And one of the easy ways to do that is to be able to spray when we need to spray, the timeliness. And during our modeling of this, we find it difficult to get some literature on this topic, which actually told, okay, if we spray a little bit too late, then how much more pesticide or plant protection would actually be required in order to maybe spray at the appropriate time. The future of farming is precision farming, no doubt about that. But it's also important to be able to show the farmer that we have treated the crops, especially as is required. And therefore it's important to do some logging and be able to say, okay, this plant has been treated correctly with the doses at this time. And in order to move into this big data society where the farmer can begin and look over several years and determine, okay, what is the different effects and different aspects, then we need to have this data. And therefore this logging part is essential to the farmer and will be very valuable in the future.